Want to make money online as a virtual assistant? With businesses going digital, the demand for skilled VAs is skyrocketing. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career, I'll break down the best ways to start earning fast. The rise of remote work has opened up incredible opportunities for those looking to earn money online, and becoming a virtual assistant VA is one of the most accessible and profitable options available today. Businesses, entrepreneurs, and influencers are constantly looking for skilled professionals to handle administrative, technical, and creative tasks, allowing them to focus on growth. If you are detail-oriented, organized, and proficient in digital tools, you can build a successful career as a virtual assistant while working from the comfort of your home. Making money as a virtual assistant requires more than just basic skills. It involves identifying the right niche, leveraging effective marketing strategies, and continuously upgrading your expertise to stay ahead in the competitive digital landscape. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to scale your VA business, understanding the key steps can help you secure clients, increase your income, and achieve long-term success. 10. Identifying marketable skills for virtual assistants. Before stepping into the world of virtual assistants, it is crucial to evaluate your strengths and determine which services you can offer. Virtual assistants perform a variety of tasks, including managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling customer support, and even managing social media accounts. Some businesses require specialized skills such as bookkeeping, content writing, or graphic design. The more advanced and in-demand your skills are, the higher the rates you can charge. If you already have experience in administration, digital marketing, or technical support, you can directly apply those skills to your VA services. However, if you are starting from scratch, there are numerous online courses available to help you develop marketable skills. Learning to use tools such as Google Workspace, project management software like Trello, or accounting programs like QuickBooks can make you more appealing to potential clients. 9. Investing in essential tools for efficiency. Having the right tools is a necessity for virtual assistants, as efficiency and productivity determine your success in the field. Investing in a good computer, reliable internet, and digital tools that help with communication, task management, and collaboration will significantly improve your workflow. Many clients require VAs to be proficient in software like Slack for communication, Zoom for virtual meetings, and Asana for task organization. In addition to technical tools, using time tracking applications like Toggle or Clockify can help monitor your working hours, especially if you charge clients on an hourly basis. File sharing platforms like Google Drive and Dropbox are essential for securely storing and sharing documents. Having an organized digital workspace allows you to handle multiple clients efficiently and ensures you provide quality service. 8. Creating a professional online presence. Establishing an online presence is essential for attracting clients and showcasing your expertise as a virtual assistant. A strong LinkedIn profile with a professional headshot, a detailed description of your services, and testimonials from past clients can help you gain credibility. A personal website or portfolio displaying your skills, experience, and contact information makes it easier for potential clients to find and hire you. Social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook can also be leveraged to market your services. Engaging with business owners and entrepreneurs in online forums and Facebook groups can help you network with potential clients. Many successful VAs use content marketing by sharing helpful tips and industry insights through blogs, LinkedIn posts, or YouTube videos, positioning themselves as experts in the field. 7. Setting the right pricing strategy. Determining how much to charge as a virtual assistant can be challenging, especially when starting out. Many beginners offer lower rates to attract their first clients, but as they gain experience, they gradually increase their pricing. The average rates for VAs range from $10 to $100 per hour, depending on expertise, specialization, and industry demand. To set a competitive yet profitable rate, research industry standards and assess the value of your skills. Some VAs prefer project-based pricing instead of hourly rates, allowing them to charge a fixed amount for specific services. Offering retainer packages, where clients pay a set monthly fee for ongoing support, can provide financial stability and long-term work opportunities. 6. Finding clients on freelance and business platforms. Securing clients is one of the biggest challenges when starting as a virtual assistant. The best way to land your first job is to explore freelance marketplaces such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms connect freelancers with businesses seeking remote support and provide a great way to gain experience and build a portfolio. However, competition can be tough, so crafting a compelling profile and writing strong proposals is essential. Another effective method to find clients is networking. Many businesses prefer hiring through referrals rather than public job postings. Reaching out to business owners, entrepreneurs, and influencers through LinkedIn or email can open up job opportunities. Attending virtual networking events and engaging in online communities focused on entrepreneurship or freelancing can also help you connect with potential clients. 5. Specializing in a profitable niche. General virtual assistants handle a variety of tasks, but specializing in a high-demand niche can significantly increase your earning potential. Certain industries require specialized knowledge, making experts in those fields highly valuable. Some lucrative niches include real estate virtual assistants, e-commerce support for platforms like Shopify and Amazon, and executive assistants for CEOs and high-profile professionals. Other high-paying areas include social media management, where VAs handle content creation and engagement, and tech support, where businesses need help troubleshooting software and managing websites. Choosing a niche not only allows you to charge higher rates, but also helps you stand out in the crowded VA market. 4. Building long-term relationships with clients. One of the keys to long-term success as a virtual assistant is retaining clients rather than constantly searching for new ones. Satisfied clients are more likely to offer long-term contracts and refer your services to others. Consistently delivering quality work, maintaining clear communication, and being proactive in suggesting improvements can strengthen client relationships. Providing value beyond expectations can set you apart from other VAs. Taking the initiative to organize workflows, automate repetitive tasks, or suggest strategies for efficiency can make you an indispensable part of your client's business. Building strong client relationships not only ensures steady income, but also enhances your professional reputation. 3. Expanding services and scaling your business. Once you establish yourself as a virtual assistant, you can expand your income by offering additional services or hiring subcontractors to help with workload. Some VAs create digital products like ebooks, templates, and online courses to generate passive income. Others start a VA agency, managing a team that caters to multiple clients. Automation tools can also help scale your business. Email marketing, social media scheduling, and artificial intelligence-powered chatbots can handle routine tasks, allowing you to take on more clients without increasing your workload. The ability to scale a VA business is what makes it one of the most lucrative online career paths. 2. Transitioning to high-ticket clients. As you gain experience, you should aim to work with high-ticket clients who are willing to pay premium rates for expert assistance. These clients are often business executives, startup founders, and large corporations. To attract them, refining your branding, showcasing case studies, and improving your negotiation skills are crucial. High-ticket clients value professionalism and results, so demonstrating your impact through past projects can set you apart. Offering exclusive services such as executive consulting, business automation, or digital strategy implementation can help you transition to high-paying contracts. 1. Creating passive income as a virtual assistant. Beyond client work, many VAs create passive income streams by monetizing their knowledge and skills. Some do this by launching courses that teach aspiring VAs how to start their careers. Others sell VA business templates, automation workflows, or affiliate marketing products related to productivity and remote work. Passive income allows VAs to earn money even when they are not actively working with clients. By diversifying income sources, virtual assistants can achieve financial stability and build a long-term, scalable business. Virtual assistants is one of the best ways to make money online with flexibility and growth potential. Which VA service interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and start building your online income today.